Hello everyone, this is Speak Up and I hope you have a nice day. Hi, I'm...
Make 2 seconds.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay. Are you ready? Okay, perfect.
Wait,
Very nice.
I think I
I'm
forgot
gonna
to
use
this teacher. Sorry.
Okay.
조용해.
Anyway. Speak up. No, I will look at you, sorry.
Okay.
Yes. Teach English for... Sorry, I forgot.
No, it's okay. You're outside there, noise. Okay.
Oh my god. Hi, my name is Rachel Salas, but you can call me Rach for short. I am an English teacher and I have been one for almost 7 years now. I have taught students of different ages and nationalities. I believe that teaching isn't only a profession. It should be done with passion and dedication. I'm very flexible in class. Usually, I try to gauge a student's learning style before I decide what teaching method to use. I think that there isn't only one effective method, so I combine different ways to teach. Like learning styles for students, teaching methods are also different for every teacher. It is necessary to observe and be open to what the student really needs and at the same time share recommendations for a very efficient class. Through online classes, you can enjoy different benefits. For one, you can have your classes anywhere you are as long as you have a laptop or even just your mobile phone with a stable internet connection. Without the worry of having no consistency in studying English, you can have your classes at your own convenience by arranging your schedule. All of these benefits at a reasonable cost. Speak Up is a community that helps students find the best teacher that suits their learning needs without any extra fees or charges taken from them or even the teachers. This gives a student freedom to have a class with a teacher of his or her own choice at a reasonable cost. Learning English is something you should do with consistency. To be fluent in speaking English, you should speak up more often. Being good at English isn't only about having knowledge in grammar, writing, pronunciation, reading, and listening. It's actually about knowing and practicing what you have learned in class. So speak up and be supreme in English. For more details or information, please refer to the description below. Any questions about further details, just feel free to leave your questions or comments in the comments section, and I will do my best to reply to you through that the soonest possible time. Please leave your comments only in English.